What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another hair video. So today I'm going to be doing a review on Premier lace wigs. They were kind enough to send me one of their units. I am wearing their 360 lace frontal wig in the texture Kinky straight. This is their Indian Remy hair and it is 22 inches. Well, that's what it says it is, so I'm just gonna say yes, it's 22 inches, you guys. A couple of things before I get into the specs on this hair. I did not wash this hair. I just wanted to see how kinky the natural texture of it is. When I received the package, you guys, it came in this Premier Lace Wigs box. It has their social media information right here. And it also says, everyone deserves to feel beautiful on the back. I'm literally just now seeing that. It's really cute. So when you open up the box, it came with an information book and it also came with extra clips and a wig cap and some instructions. Oh, and the shipping. It didn't take long at all. I think it took a few days after it processed. It only took 3 days to get to me, so that was really good. When I took it out the packaging, I didn't know if I was really gonna like it or not, just because of the texture and the way that it looked. I'm not sure if I picked this texture or if they picked it for me, but the texture is really thick and I didn't know how it would look on my head, so I was a little nervous looking at it initially. So what I did with the hair, you guys, I just put it on my head, made sure everything was straight, it was aligned and everything like that. Then I cut the lace off, and then after that I glued it on to secure it, and then I did my baby hairs after that. I apologize if you guys see a fly. There is a fly in here. I actually used a flat iron to flat iron it a little, and I used the hot comb to comb it out so that it can lay a little bit flatter. I used Got To Be Glued spray, and I also used the Got To Be Glued gel. I combined both of those, and then I put it around the front of my hair so that it can lay really well. I personally prefer Got To Be Glued over Bold Hold or anything like that, just because I don't like putting glue anywhere near my hair. But yeah, you guys, so that's all I did. Oh, I also customized the part a little bit, made it a little thicker. I put some concealer on it as well so that I can look a little bit more natural. I'm not sure if it's kind of coming up a little bit, but it started to, so I obviously didn't put enough of it on there. I love the length of it. I love the texture. I like that it's like really, it has this really nice luster to it. It's not like overly shiny and looking fake. If you've ever got your hair done at a salon, a Dominican salon or something like that, or any type of salon, and they do blowouts, this is what that reminds me of, just getting a blowout on your natural hair. And that's why I like it so much, because it definitely does look like how my hair would look if it was like blown out, like the texture of it. I don't have anything negative to say about the hair. It did shed a little. That was expected because I plucked it and did all this extra customization to it. I would love to try some of their other textures just to see like the quality of their really straight hair or their curly hair. Just because I love this texture so much, I would love to see their other hair textures on my hair compared to what I have on my head now, because since this texture is so nice, I know that the other ones would be. I have the tag on the back, I still haven't ripped it out. I also have a coupon code, which is Ross, so make sure you check that out so that you can get a discount on this hair. But yeah, you guys, that wraps up this video. I love you guys. Everything will be in the description below, and I will see you in my next video.